This is where the 2024 theme park season starts. It's Efteling, it's February 2024. Let's go. Well folks, welcome along to Efteling. Start of the 2024 season. Right in front you've got Symbolica. We're yet to get on that one today. When I was here last in 2019, had a good ride on that one. There's a lot of closures, I'll go into that a little bit further on in the video. But we're heading up to this one next, which is that little observation flying island type ride, Intamin. Here at Efteling. Yeah, for whatever reason, I forgot to include this last time. Vogel Rok, the indoor roller coaster, Vekoma. Got you a few little bits in the station. It's enclosed, can't really get much. But yeah, hard to imagine that thing is now over 25 years old. And then just try and get this one, the little teacup ride, little spinning ride. I think that's Mac. All nicely themed around this little watery area here. And these are the coasters which planned closures. I'll put in the graphic when these are going to reopen, but that is the Woody, as you can see, Joris ended rack. It's a shame, but these things, you know, maintenance, it's got to happen at some point. They've got to maintain the rides, and this does seem really strange without any water in the water coaster when it's operating, obviously. Villingi, Olinda, and then some un-op Vekoma greatness, Cobra. Just, I don't know if you can quite see it there, but the chap on the double corkscrew. Be great to get back down and do them again at some point in the future. Yeah, I just thought I'd get a quick clip of this one on the monorail, manufactured by the one and only Vekoma. Yeah, and as you can see, just walking down to have another go on it, it is Max and Moritz, well, since I were here anyway, last year, the new Coaster Credit power coaster, really well themed, double track, so it's up to if you want to count it as two coasters, but I'm just counting it as the one. It's just a mirror image of the layout, really, symmetrical. Right, let's get on it. Good station fly through as well. Yeah, good addition. Quite an old pirate ship, this one. Old Mayan. Interim 1982. Give this a go very, very shortly. Don't think I won it last time over here. And indeed it is the dive coaster here at Efteling, opened in 2015, it's Baron 1898. Really good B&M this one. I still think it's miles better than Oblivion, maybe not so much Valkyria, but that Zero G is a really good inversion, really floaty, and you go into an helix which is a little bit rattly I must say, but otherwise great ride, great theming, definitely a must do. Right, just before I do the outro, just noticed this, or Sarah actually noticed this, little bits of snacks and what have you, all the different prices. So what you do is just select what you want there, use the contactless on the contactless thing there, and then just get you whatever snack you want. So don't know what I'm fancying actually. I'll get back to you as I'm closing things off. The noodle snack actually looks quite nice. A little cheese snack. Radio folks, closing the video off in more or less the same position as I did 4.5 years ago, back in 2019, just down by the lake. Just missed out on the little firework display, but not to worry. Been a great day here at Efteling. Bit of a soggy end. That frog, he is still as big as ever. So as I said, might do a little video tomorrow at the airport. Otherwise, I will catch you in Belgium at the weekend ahead of Plopsaland on Monday. Great to see Max and Moritz roller coaster running. As I said, they were just building that the last time I were here. So from Efteling, it is 2 for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you soon. Take care.